This video will show you how to use Circle to search on your Samsung Galaxy A27 5G. This handy AI-powered feature lets you instantly search anything you see on your screen without switching apps. Whether it's text, images, products, or landmarks, you can find information in just a few seconds. Follow along and I'll guide you through the setup and show you exactly how to use it. Unlock your Samsung Galaxy A27 5G and open the Settings app from your home screen or app drawer. Scroll down until you find Display, then tap on it to open the display settings. Next, scroll toward the bottom and select Navigation bar. Here you'll see the option for Circle to search. If the feature is available on your device, simply tap the toggle switch to turn it on. Once enabled, you're ready to start using it anytime you need. Now, let's see how it works. Open any app where you want to search something on your screen. This could be a web page, a social media post, a shopping app, YouTube, or even a photo in your gallery. To activate Circle to search, press and hold the home button if you are using the traditional 3-button navigation. If you are using gesture navigation, press and hold the small gesture handle at the bottom center of the screen instead. You'll notice a glowing overlay appear across your display. At this point, simply draw a circle around the object you are curious about. You can also highlight text, tap on an image, or select a specific item on the screen. Samsung and Google will instantly analyze your selection and begin searching for matching information. Within a moment, search results will appear at the bottom of your screen. You can swipe up to see more detailed results, including websites, product information, images, definitions, or other related content. You never have to leave the app you're currently using, making the experience fast and convenient. This feature is especially useful when you spot something interesting online and want to learn more without taking screenshots or typing search queries manually. Hope this helped. Subscribe for more Samsung tips and easy guides today.